Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I am Vonnie G's and this is my nail art channel. Before I get into what I'm doing, I would like for you guys to like this video and subscribe if you're into super dope, super cool and cute nail art. I'm going to be putting out so many videos. This is my second video, and I am a nail enthusiast. I am not a licensed nail tech. I only work on my own nails. And yes, let's get into the video. So I did these really cute butterfly nails. This was just really a freestyle. I had some new stuff that I got off of Etsy and I just wanted to use it, and this is what I came up with. I should have showed all the materials that I used, but I'll link them down below, the butterflies that I used and the glitters. But I'm just applying some IBD gel. I applied a clear layer, and on the tip right now I am applying a pink layer that I mixed. I just put some IBD gel in a little jar and I threw in this kind of jellyish pink gel nail polish into it, and I mix it up. This is a moon dust glitter that I got from Etsy, and it's super cute. It has like some holographic kind of like reflex in it, but it's super cute. I love it. And I'm just going to place that into some IBD gel onto the nail. It was so hard to film on my own hand, and the way my camera has to be set up, it just was kind of difficult. But I worked it out. I'm still working out the filming situation. This is new for me, so it's kind of difficult to film everything and like try to keep my hand in focus and all that stuff. But I'm working through it. But yeah, so I'm just applying these glitters into the nail with some IBD gel. I had a little bit left on my brush, so that's what I'm picking the glitters up with. And I put that base layer down just so that I wasn't applying the glitter straight onto the nail. I have to figure out how to get better at doing this, because I do want to work on like some friends and stuff. I won't like, of course, just do nails, like promote myself as a nail tech, because I'm not. But I do want to work on other people just for practice, but I want their nails to be able to last. And if you can hear my computer like going crazy, sorry if you can hear it in the background. But anyways, these nails actually didn't stay on very long, which was a little concerning. I think that the tips that I used were a little big. The tips may have been a little big for my nails. I have really small nails. My hands are chunky, but my fingers and my hands are kind of small, so my nail beds are small as well. And I feel like these tips darn near covered my whole nail, but I did file, I dehydrated and primed and all of that, but they didn't last. But I'm going to try the Young Nails the Young Nails pH bond, or is it protein bond? I'm going to try that. A lot of people say they really like it and their nails last a long time. But some of them I had to file off, but some of them just popped off my finger like the next day. And I'm like, that's not okay. But now I'm just applying another layer of IBD gel over the glitters. I cured the glitters onto the nail. Tell me if you like are enjoying this video, or if you see my other video and you're interested in watching my videos more. Would you like to see the application process of like filing the nail, the prep process of like filing the nail, dehydrator, primer, and putting the tips on and stuff like that? Because if so, I'll leave that in. But I was kind of nervous to leave that stuff in because I'm not like the best. Like literally, this is probably the I want to say 4th nail set I've ever done in my life that's like, like outside of just like painting your nails. Like, so I'm super new to this, but I'm applying these star spangled glitters, like those little star burst glitters, sparkle glitters. I got these off of Etsy. I got 2 packs of those, and I also had some silver ones. I don't think I used them in this set. I probably should have. That would have been cute. But I'm just applying those into that layer of IBD gel that I put over it. And yeah, I think it probably would be best for me to film on top of my lamp, because you will be able to get a closer up view. My camera is kind of old, so I'm not able to like zoom in super far and do all that. But hopefully one day I will get a better camera, a better everything. I wasn't able to film me putting the gel onto this nail because either I wasn't recording or my camera cut off. I don't know what happened there, but I just put on the pink gel that I made, the custom pink gel that I made, and again I just applied some gel nail polish into a little bit of IBD gel and put it on my nail. Now I'm putting these glitters on in a swirl motion, just a light little swirl, because I wanted the butterflies to look like they were flying up, like their little glitter path up on the nail. And it turned out so pretty. Like, I don't want to toot my own horn, but I really shocked myself with this nail, this set. Like, sets like this, I feel like you would see this from like a super experienced nail tech, not somebody who's just starting, not somebody who just is like, okay, I want to do nails for fun, let me just start doing nails. When you guys see the end shots and see how these turned out, like, oh my goodness, they were really cute. And it's hard to keep everything in focus. I am going to try to remember to refocus the camera every time I like move and stuff, but I'm a little bit out of focus here. So I think I'm going to start filming whenever I'm doing nails or whatever. If I'm not doing press-ons, if I'm doing them on my hand, I'm going to try to film on top of my lamp so that it's closer and all that. And I actually just applied those to the nail. I didn't apply those glitters on top of any layer. I actually applied it to the tacky layer by accident. I didn't put anything down like base coat or more IBD gel, so they're kind of just sitting there. So I had to like float the IBD gel over it without moving them out of place. So I just, as you can see, I'm just kind of floating the gel over top of the glitters, and I'm going to try to get that as smooth as I can. And I ended up capping these off camera because my light died once I got to my pinky, and the light that I use takes forever to charge. I would have just waited, charged the light, and then came back. But yeah, I just want to talk about some of those things because I don't know, there may be somebody out there that is wanting to get into nail art like I do, and you see all these nail art videos and they have the perfect angle and they're filming their videos and it just looks so great, but it can be hard like trying to set up to get these angles and whatnot. And yeah, but I actually love using IBD gel. It is my favorite medium as far as doing nails. Like, hard gel is my favorite. Poly gel will probably be my second favorite. And then I have not used poly gel with dual forms. I have not mastered poly gel without dual forms yet. I have to get better at that. And I haven't used acrylic yet. But I'm applying these blue butterflies. The other hand, when I did my right hand, that actually turned out better, which is crazy because I'm right-handed and I had to use my left hand, of course. But I think it's because I had more of a clear idea. I literally was just freestyling. I had a bunch of stuff and I just started applying it. But on the other hand, I made all the butterflies like fly the same way, and it just was so cute because it looked like they were flying up my nail. But yeah, this is how it looks. That light is super bright and I'm trying to show you guys how it looks. But yeah, the only problem I had was that when I mixed the gel nail polish with the IBD gel. Maybe I was mixing it too hard, but there was a lot of bubbles. But I've seen people online make their custom colors with IBD gel and they didn't have bubbles. But I'm thinking, like, if you sprayed a little alcohol on top, would it pop those surface bubbles or not? Like, kind of like when you do resin. I don't know. But I want to figure out how to get those bubbles out, because you can't see them here. But when you look up close at the nail, there are bubbles in it. And I don't like that. I wanted it to be super clear. But I'm doing another tip, and you can kind of see me pulling my hand in and out of the lamp because there are heat spikes. I don't know how you can avoid that, or how can I avoid that if you know, because I'm still new, but that burns. It burns so bad, so I want to avoid that. But I'm doing the same thing I did on my thumb. I'm just I applied my clear and my jelly pink on the tip, and I'm just going to waterfall the glitters down to midway down the nail. And I think this one I'm going to add, I don't know if I put butterflies in this one, but we'll see. And I'm still pulling my hand in and out because that must be burning. But yes, this has been so fun for me. Like, I have a nail art page called Nails by G, same as my YouTube, and I've just been having so much fun. Like, doing nails is so relaxing. Like, I am the happiest when I'm doing nails. Like, when I'm doing my nails, I don't know, it's just, if you love nails, you know what I'm talking about. Like, you sit down and it just seems like everything the world just stops, and it's just you and your nails. But back to the video. I think I put base coat gel down, and I'm applying those star glitters again, the pinkish purple star glitters. And if I'm moving my hand away, I think it was because I was looking at my nail and I was like, oh my gosh. And for this one, I am applying more butterflies, and I didn't even realize I had some pink butterflies that I ordered that were coming in the mail, and I wish I could have used them on this set. But I think I'm going to do like a spring set. I was thinking about doing an Easter set, even though I don't celebrate Easter. I was thinking about doing like a spring Easter set just for the colors and the bunnies and the cuteness. And I'm kind of going in a pattern. This nail is going to be full jelly pink, and I applied that gel and I took my hand in and out. Now I'm just placing some base coat gel because I didn't want them to be too thick, and unfortunately I had to cap and file